Hey babies, it's Joy Navon. So for today's makeup tutorial, I will be showing you guys how I created this really fun, smoky, youthful, glam, kind of a pumpkin spice kind of a makeup look for the holidays. I really love how this turned out. I hope you like it too. Definitely, if you do, stick around so you can see how I used one brand, which is Motives Cosmetics, to create my entire look. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into the video. So as you can see, I already have my base ready and together. So I have my foundation and my brows on, so I could just jump into prepping my lips. And for that, I'm going to be using the Motives Cosmetics Vanilla Lip Mask. And I'm just going to apply this to my lips just so that they're nice and moisturized before I jump into the rest of my makeup. So I will be using the Mix It Up palette for this, and I'm using that brown shade, and I'm just going to be applying that in my crease using a fluffy blending brush. And I want to make sure that I'm smoking this out, so I'm going to keep blending until I have that effect. So now I'm just going to take that same black shade and pack it on with a eyeshadow brush and just kind of build up the black. I love this color. I feel like it's a really good black shadow. And I love the fact that these shadows are really blendable. They just blend so easily, which made my life a lot easier. And I'm just going to be dragging down that black shadow to my lower lash line as well for more of a dramatic look. So to take it a step even further, I'm taking this metal eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Renegade, just to add a little bit of spice, a little bit of something to my eyes. And then I'm just going to blend it in with the same exact eyeshadow brush. So from here, I'm going to grab my gel eyeliner. I absolutely love this liner. It is so creamy, so easy to apply. It just goes on like a dream. And then I'm going to be coating my lashes with the Fiber Lush Mascara. So now for my lips, I'll just be using the new Motives Lip Primer. And then I'm going to put on the Double Take Lipstick Duo in Pumpkin Spice. I love the fact that this is double-sided, and I'm getting this really pretty orange situation going on. And then just to bring it even further, I'm going to add some Motives for Lala Mineral Lip Shine Clear Gloss over my lips, and this is in the shade Dreamer. Alright you guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. I absolutely love how this look turned out, but that is no surprise to me because I love Motives Cosmetics products. I use them all the time. I tell you guys this all the time. I absolutely love their gel liner, especially. It is amazing. I love their metallic lipsticks, and I also love the metal eyeshadows that I used on my eyes today. I used the shade Renegade here, and I just think it is so pretty. So please go ahead and follow me on all social media at Joy Navon, as well as Motives on their Instagram. So I just want to wish you guys a very happy holidays with whatever it is that you're celebrating. I hope you're enjoying yourself, eating good, spending lots of time with your family. I especially want to wish a happy holidays too to Lauren Ridinger and everyone else over at Motives Cosmetics. And also, you guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video too. Be sure to leave me a comment down below in the comment section as always. And until next time, I will just have to see you in my next video. Bye.